baseline now.
Okay. Want the door open yet?
Yeah.
All right. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others.
So we got Brand X 12K lithium, Ampere 7500, Crescendo 1100.4, Crescendo 800.4.
All right.
I'm hard to hit this
Info real quick first, sorry. So what else is the equipment for the front end, the subs and all?
I got Scar EVL 18s, so
okay.
I can get some bigger ones. All right. And then I think it's like a 9.5 cube box.
9 cubes?
Yeah.
Wow.
It doesn't get very windy, but...
Yeah. And your ports, right? Okay, there it is.
Yeah, driver's side.
Okay. I like the little fur action.
Yeah,
all right.
Threw that together last minute.
Sweet. Makes it look a little prettier too, yeah.
Yeah.
So what was your name?
Colin.
All right, man. Thanks, man. Good job. Thanks for the demo. I appreciate you showing me, man. So what was your name?
Colin.
All right, man. You have a good day.
You too.